Hi everyone! I'll be making another recipe from the Gooseberry Patch 101 Cozy Casseroles. I did buy this at the thrift store, but you can find it in Amazon, and I'll leave a link down below if you want to go check it out. Today I'll be making Hearty Tortilla Casserole. What all goes into the Hearty Tortilla Casserole? 2 pounds ground beef, 1 onion chopped, 2 teaspoons instant coffee granules, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 29-ounce canned tomato sauce, divided, 12 10-inch flour tortillas, 1/2 cup softened cream cheese, and that would be half of an 8-ounce block of cream cheese, 1/3 cup water, 2 cups shredded cheddar or mozzarella cheese, 12 black olives sliced, and I have this big can of already sliced black olives. So let's begin. So take a 13 by 9 pan and spray it with non-stick cooking spray. Preheat your oven to 375. Take a skillet over medium heat and add your 2 pounds of ground beef, and add your 1 onion chopped, and cook that until the beef is brown and no longer pink. So the ground beef is brown, and now's the time to drain it. I have like 93%. It's not very greasy, so I'm not going to bother draining it. So then add your 2 teaspoons of instant coffee granules, the 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, the 1 tablespoon of the chili powder. Mix that up. And then take half of your tomato sauce, which is about 15 ounces, and pour that in there. And stir that up. So take one of your tortilla shells, take your softened cream cheese, and spread it all over the tortilla. And you can decide how thick you want that, I would imagine. I'm just doing a light coating. Take 1/4 cup of your meat mixture, put on the tortilla, and fold your tortilla. I folded it burrito style. It'll fit more in the pan that way. So here are all 12 of my folded tortillas. Then take the remaining of the beef mixture and top it on top of them. Take a bowl, put in the remaining of the tomato sauce and the 1/3 cup water, and mix that up, and then drizzle that on top. Then add your 2 cups of the cheddar or mozzarella cheese. And the 12 sliced black olives. Mine was already sliced, so I'm just going to spread some out. I don't know how many there is. And you can use more or less or none. And then cover it with foil. I'm going to spray the back of my foil so it won't stick to the cheese. And stick it in a preheated 375-degree oven for 25 minutes or until heated through. So here is the Hearty Tortilla Bake. Rounding out the meal is quinoa curry. Let's see what Dave thinks.
What is this?
Hearty Tortilla Bake.
Oh, interesting. Beef?
Yeah.
I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.